New at 6 tonight, after almost 2.5 years, Justin Ross Harris was found guilty on 3 counts of murder among additional charges. But how can he be charged 3 times for 1 death?
To find out, WVUA 23's Justina Banoob spoke with the lead prosecutor in this tragic case in which a child died after being left in a hot car.
In Georgia, there is no degree of murder. There are different types of murder which require different levels of proof.
After 4 days of deliberation, a jury in Glenn County found Georgia father Justin Ross Harris guilty in the death of his 22-month-old son, Cooper. Cooper died in July 2014 after he was left in a hot car. Harris was charged with 2 counts of felony murder based upon cruelty to children, 1 in the first degree, and cruelty to children in the second degree.
That would be technically a lesser included offense of the other 2 murder charges because it requires a lesser mental state than the others.
The third is a malice murder charge.
The malice murder charge was one that does not have an underlying felony. It's just the intent to take a life without justification or mitigation.
But why multiple murder counts? I asked Chuck Boring, who led the prosecution.
Basically, 2 of the murder charges are just different ways of charging the same mental state, just with different elements. And then the third charge was just a lesser included offense that was charged in the indictment based upon the defendant's own story.
Harris was also charged with sending sexual messages to minors. He's scheduled to be sentenced on December 5th. Harris faces life in prison. With or without parole is to be determined.
Now, there will only be 1 murder charge for which he will be sentenced. The other ones will be vacated as a matter of law because they would be duplicative of the malice murder charge.
Boring, who's been working special victims' crimes for years, says while justice was served,
there's never a winner in these cases. It's awful all around.
In Tuscaloosa, Justina Banoob, WVUA 23 News.